1 damning, verb.
नुकसानदेह, दायमी सजा याफ्ता.
Of a circumstance or piece of evidence, strongly suggesting guilt or error. Example, I was innocent but the evidence was damning. Synonyms, incriminating, condemnatory, condemning, damnatory, damaging, derogatory, conclusive, strong. Antonyms, vindicatory, inconclusive. 2 communal, adjective.
फिरकावाराना, गिरोही, बस्ती का.
Shared by all members of a community, for common use. Example, a communal bathroom and kitchen. Synonyms, shared, joint, common, general, public, collective, cooperative, community, communalist. Antonyms, private, individual. 3 allegiance, noun.
अज़्म, अहद वफा, बैत, इताअत.
Loyalty or commitment to a superior or to a group or cause. Example, those wishing to receive citizenship must swear allegiance to the Republic. Synonyms, loyalty, faithfulness, fidelity, obedience, fealty, adherence, homage, devotion, bond. Antonyms, disloyalty, treachery. 4 unison, noun.
हमआहंगी, मुवाफिकत.
Simultaneous performance or utterance of action or speech. Example, yes, sir, said the girls in unison. Synonyms, simultaneously, at, one and, the same time, all, at once, at the same moment. Antonyms, antagonism, battle, conflict, contention, contest, controversy, difference. 5 clarion.
साफ, बुलंद, खुला.
A shrill narrow-tubed war trumpet. Synonyms, blaring, sharp. Antonyms, low. 6 traumatic, adjective.
जख्म से मुतालिक, जिस्मानी तकलीफ.
Deeply disturbing or distressing. Example, she was going through a traumatic divorce. Synonyms, disturbing, shocking, distressing, disquieting, upsetting, damaging, scarring, injurious. Antonyms, soothing, calming, successful, pleasing. 7 carnage, noun.
कत्लाम, खूनरेज़ी, कत्लो गारत.
The killing of a large number of people. Example, the bombing was timed to cause as much carnage as possible. Synonyms, slaughter, massacre, mass murder, mass destruction, butchery, bloodbath, indiscriminate bloodshed. Antonyms, emancipation, freeing, rescuing, deliverance. 8 dossier, noun.
फोल्डर, किसी के बारे में मुफस्सल मालूमात.
A collection of documents about a particular person, event, or subject. Example, we have a dossier on him. Synonyms, file, report, case history, case study, casebook, account, notes, documents. Antonyms, misinformation, prevarication, lie, falsity. 9 conglomerate, noun.
मुरक्कब, गोल ढेर बनाना.
A thing consisting of a number of different and distinct parts or items that are grouped together. Example, the earth is a specialized conglomerate of organisms. Synonyms, mixture, mix, combination, mingling, commingling, amalgamation, amalgam. Antonyms, split up. 10 traction, noun.
खींचने का अमल, खींचा, चलाया जाना.
The action of drawing or pulling something over a surface, especially a road or track. Example, a primitive vehicle used in animal traction. Synonyms, grip, friction, adhesion, purchase, resistance, pull, haulage, propulsion, drag. Antonyms, repel, push, sheath, refrain. 11 gamut, noun.
सरगरम, हल्का दायरा.
The complete range or scope of something. Example, the whole gamut of human emotion. Synonyms, range, spectrum, span, sweep, compass, scope, area, breadth, width. Antonyms, extreme, limitation, part, insignificance. 12 impediment, noun.
रुकावट, रखना.
A hindrance or obstruction in doing something. Example, a serious impediment to scientific progress. Synonyms: hindrance, obstruction, obstacle, barrier, bar, handicap, block, check. Antonyms: benefit. 13. Hubris, noun.
इंतहाई खुद एतमादी, घमंड, गुरूर.
Excessive pride or self-confidence. Example: the self-assured hubris among economists was shaken in the late 1980s. Synonyms: arrogance, conceit, conceitedness, haughtiness, pride, vanity, self-importance, self-conceit. Antonyms: modesty. 14. Horrific, adjective.
हैबतनाक, खौफनाक.
Causing horror. Example: horrific injuries. Synonyms: dreadful, horrendous, horrifying, horrible, frightful, awful, terrible, fearful, shocking. Antonyms: inoffensive, unalarming. 15. Humane, adjective.
नर्म दिल, इंसानी.
Having or showing compassion or benevolence. Example: regulations ensuring the humane treatment of animals. Synonyms: compassionate, kind, kindly, kind-hearted, considerate, understanding. Antonyms: cruel, inhumane. 16. Indemnity, noun.
मुआहदा इब्रा, नुकसान की जमानत देना.
Security or protection against a loss or other financial burden. Example: no indemnity will be given for loss of cash. Synonyms: insurance, assurance, protection, security, indemnification, surety, endorsement. Antonyms: penalty. 17. Envisage, verb.
गुमान करना, तसव्वुर करना, सोचना.
Contemplate or conceive of as a possibility or a desirable future event. Example: the Rome Treaty envisaged free movement across frontiers. Synonyms: foresee, predict, forecast, foretell, anticipate, expect, think likely, envision, intend. Antonyms: actual, existent, existing. 18. Warmonger, noun.
जंग का हामी शख्स, जंगजू.
A person who encourages or advocates aggression towards other countries or groups. Example: Donald Trump is a warmonger. Synonyms: militarist, hawk, dingoist, saber-rattler, aggressor, provoker, belligerent. Antonyms: pacifist. 19. Indiscriminate, adjective.
अंधाधुंध, बेउसूल, बिला इम्तियाज.
Done at random or without careful judgment. Example: the indiscriminate use of antibiotics can cause problems. Synonyms: non-selective, unselective, undiscriminating, uncritical, aimless, hit or miss, haphazard. Antonyms: selective, discriminating, systematic. 20. Mitigate, verb.
असल से कम का अंदाजा लगाना, तख्फीफ करना.
Make something bad less severe, serious, or painful. Example: drainage schemes have helped to mitigate this problem. Synonyms: alleviate, reduce, diminish, lessen, weaken, lighten, attenuate, take the edge off. Antonyms: aggravate, increase, intensify. 21. Hitherto, adverb.
अभी तक, यहाँ तक, इस जगह तक.
Until now or until the point in time under discussion. Example: hitherto part of French West Africa, Benin achieved independence in 1960. Synonyms: previously, formerly, earlier, so far, thus far, before, beforehand, to date. Antonyms: henceforth, henceforward, thereafter, afterwards. 22. Repertoire, noun.
ज़ख़ीरा, मखज़न.
The whole body of items which are regularly performed. Example: the mainstream concert repertoire. Synonyms: collection, stock, range, repertory, reserve, store, repository, supply, stockpile. Antonyms: decrement, disassembly. 23. Amenable, adjective.
इताअत पज़ीर, फरमाबरदार, मानने वाला.
Open and responsive to suggestion, easily persuaded or controlled. Example: parents who have amenable children. Synonyms: compliant, acquiescent, biddable, manageable, controllable, governable, persuadable. Antonyms: uncooperative. 24. Parochial, adjective.
इलाकाई, मकामी, किसी महदूद हल्के का, मुतासिब.
Relating to a church parish. Example, the parochial church council. Synonyms, narrow-minded, small-minded, provincial, insular, narrow, small town. Antonyms, cosmopolitan, broad-minded, liberal. 25. Counterpart, noun.
हम मनसब, हम मर्तबा, जोर.
A person or thing that corresponds to or has the same function as another person or thing in a different place or situation. Example, the minister held talks with his French counterpart. Synonyms, equivalent, opposite number, peer, equal, parallel, complement, match, twin. Antonyms, correlative, complement, supplement. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary. youtube.com/@dawnvocabulary. Like, subscribe, share and comments.